Welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I get a soft and voluminous silk press on type 4 hair. I triple cleansed my hair in the shower with TPH by Taraji P. Henson's clarifying shampoo. I love this stuff. After that, it's time to deep condition with Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I'm not gonna lie, these products are very, very high quality, but if we're doing a silk press at home, you need quality products, and they may be a little bit expensive, but they go a long way. So I'm applying the deep conditioning mask to my entire hair while I am also detangling my hair with my fingers first, and then I'm gonna go in with my wet brush. Personally, for me, detangling with deep conditioning in my hair allows the blow drying process so much easier, the flat iron process so much easier when my hair is already detangled. And if you have thick type 4 coils and curls like me, you're gonna have to work in sections so you prevent breakage. After that, I sat under a hooded dryer for about 30 minutes. Now here's my secret when it comes to blow drying. I don't blow dry right away. I go back under that hooded dryer, but I'm sectioning my hair in tight little ponytails and I twist them at the root. This allows the blow drying process to be like cut in half. I'm so serious. I am able to get my roots pretty straight with this method without even applying a blow dryer to it. So again, this is really me just working smart to do all I can to prevent heat damage as much as possible, because although I am loving wearing my hair in a straight state, I still love my curls and coils and I do not want them to get damaged. And for me, your hair can never be too detangled, so you see me just brushing and detangling my hair again before I secure it in a little bantu knot. I prefer 4 sections in my hair. You can do smaller sections if you want. I sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Then after that, my hair is about 60 to 70% dry. Look at it. Look at it. Now, this is the big deal. The Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. Apply that to your hair. Not that much of a generous amount. A little bit goes a long way. Then we go back in with the Olaplex Bonding Oil number 7. This also works as a heat protectant, so I love to apply that before I go in with my blow dryer. And I pray y'all don't come for me, but we gotta stop blow drying our hair with that comb attachment if we're doing our silk press at home. Now, if I'm just doing a blown out style, like some twist braid outs, the comb attachment works great, but I am able to get my roots so straight when I focus in with just a brush and the nozzle. Olaplex's Bond Smoother really works as a great leave-in style treatment, and it adds moisture to my hair. Y'all, also, like when I use this for a silk press, I don't have much frizz, hardly any at all, and my hair is so soft in a straightened state. So here I am just continuing to blow dry my hair with the nozzle, y'all, with the nozzle, and the Bond Smoother, the bonding oil, and the Bantu method under the dryer just, again, cuts the blow dry time in half. Once I'm done blow drying, I do a last minute run through on cool air. This is something I got from my hairstylist, and it kind of just helps set the hair. So now, in terms of flat ironing, the smaller the section, the better. You'll see me alternate the chase method with a bristle brush and a rat tail comb. I'm kind of just picking up whatever. I typically do prefer my bristle brush though. I feel like I'm able to get my hair a tad bit straighter. I do about 2 passes. That's it, maybe even 1. And that's honestly about it, y'all. It's the methods that we did before this that really take your silk press at home to the next level. Now, I love my silk presses to be flowy, bouncy, not bone straight. So I am going in again with a little bit of the bonding oil and just put it on my fingertips and go from the root to the tips of my hair just a little bit. And that just adds in that extra shine and the volume. Like, even from this angle, you just see the shine is just out of this world. And again, I cannot say enough. You gotta get quality products at home if you want salon results. So friends, this is what we're working with. My hair is straight, it's soft, it's moving. Now I like to just pop in a few curls throughout my hair, and you see I'm twisting the flat iron upwards and then letting the hair slide down. I'll do that again so y'all can get a closer view. I flip it upwards and then just glide the flat iron down, and I'm giving myself a cute little curl. I will say this is completely optional. You don't have to do this. You could have did like one straight pass and then do the curl bump, but I just like to do my silk presses like so. So then I am wrapping my hair all the way around. This is honestly a bit hard for me, y'all. I'm gonna be completely honest. I've never been really good at wrapping my hair. The method I have is I put my wrap scarf on and I'm twisting my hair around. Then I'm going in with a wig cap. It looks a bit ratchet. I know it does. Just bear with me. And I twist that around. And so I'm kind of like wrapping my hair even more and a lot better than with the comb and the brush. Now, if you want, you can go to bed, but I had somewhere to be, so I took it off after about an hour. The volume. My hair is so soft. I'm just deciding where I want my part to be, and from there, I kind of just like fluff my hair out, comb it out. It's got a beautiful curl, and that is how I do a silk press at home on my type 4 natural hair. Make sure you guys give me a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so and support the channel. I'll see y'all next time.